Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of Scandinavian design to create the perfect home office. Whether you're working remotely or need a dedicated space for creativity, the Scandi style is all about simplicity, functionality, and beauty. Let's get started. Scandinavian design, or Scandi for short, is defined by its minimalist aesthetic, neutral color palettes, and a focus on functionality. It's the perfect choice for a home office because it combines style with practicality. The Scandi palette is all about calm and serenity. Stick to whites, grays, soft pastels, and earthy tones. These colors will create a soothing environment for maximum focus. Natural light is a key feature of Scandinavian design. Place your desk near a window to make the most of the sunlight and keep the energy flowing throughout your workday. Scandi furniture is all about clean lines and simple forms. A wooden desk paired with a comfortable ergonomic chair is a must for both aesthetics and functionality. To balance the clean lines, incorporate cozy textures like wool rugs, knitted throws, or linen cushions. These small details make the space inviting and comfortable. Scandi Design thrives on organization. Use simple shelving units, baskets, or wall-mounted storage to keep your workspace clutter-free while staying stylish. Plants are an essential part of the Scandi aesthetic. Adding greenery not only purifies the air, but also brings a touch of nature into your workspace. Scandi lighting is both functional and decorative. Choose a modern desk lamp with a warm glow to enhance productivity during evening hours. And there you have it, a perfectly styled Scandinavian home office that's beautiful, functional, and inspiring. Which design tip was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for more design ideas. See you next time.